Apple Maps is about to stop being the app you only open when you're lost. In iOS 27, Apple is quietly rolling out one of the biggest navigation overhauls we've ever seen, and it is turning Maps into a full-blown proactive travel assistant powered by Apple Intelligence.
We're talking generative AI 3D cities, context-aware routing, and features that predict exactly what you need before you even type it. Let's break down the massive upgrades coming to your iPhone.
First up is the upgraded Flyover experience. Now, Flyover has always been cool for bird's-eye 3D views, but it usually looks like a flat video game if you get too close. Not anymore. Apple is now injecting generative AI into the engine to dynamically enhance buildings, textures, and lighting. It even handles the transition from day to night perfectly. It feels less like looking at data and more like exploring a living, breathing city. But the real brain upgrade is a new feature called Local Lists. Instead of blasting you with generic star ratings from 5 years ago, on-device AI scans anonymized local trends in real time. It curates hyper-specific collections on your search screen, like trending coffee shops for remote work or where the locals are eating this weekend. Best part? It's completely private. All the data crunching happens right on your device without tracking your identity back to Apple servers.
The daily usability fixes here are where you're actually going to notice the difference. For starters, finding food gets a massive shortcut with a dedicated trending restaurant section built straight into the main search screen. No typing required. Just tap, see what's hot around you right now, and go. And remember how iOS 26.5 capped your recommended pit stops to just 2 tiny cards when you were driving? iOS 27 blows that wide open with an expanded horizontal carousel. You can quickly swipe through a ton of nearby stops, alternative drop pins, or attractions on the fly without breaking your navigation flow. But this next feature is the absolute game changer. It's natural language search for routing. Think about how frustrating it is to type rigid commands while driving. Now you can just speak to Maps like a normal human. You can say something highly specific like, "Find a coffee shop with a drive-through that's less than 5 minutes off my highway route."
Apple Intelligence maps the context instantly, calculates the time detour, and drops it into your route smoothly. It's conversational navigation, and it actually works.
We're also getting a dedicated Maps Parked Car Widget for your smart stack. It automatically appears on your home screen the second you walk away from your car, showing you your vehicle's distance and exact direction. No more hunting through menus when you forget where you parked in a massive lot. Under the hood, offline maps are getting a huge back-end efficiency tune-up. Instead of forcing you to re-download an entire gigabyte of data every time a road changes, iOS 27 now patches your downloaded maps incrementally in the background. It saves your storage, saves your data, and stays accurate. Plus, features like visited places are expanding globally, all wrapped up under a sleek, newly redesigned app icon. The big picture here is clear. Apple Maps is transitioning from a reactive tool you only open when you need a turn into a proactive companion that anticipates your day. If Apple executes this right, it's going to be tough for competing mapping apps to keep up with this level of deep system integration.
What do you think? Is natural language routing enough to make you ditch other map apps for good? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more deep tech breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.